Hey guys, and welcome to another quick help video. So we're on our 4-channel NVR and I'm going to show you how to add an IP camera that's on the network using two different methods. Okay, so we got one camera which is a brand new one plugged into a switch which is connected to the same router as our NVR, and we have one camera that we're going to pretend that we've been using this camera and it's an existing part of our system, and we're going to add it on, and it has a different password, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so first of all we go to our camera. So we go configuration and then left to go camera, and make sure you're in expert mode guys as well for this. And then we need to go to PoE binding configuration. Okay, so you won't be able to add a camera unless you get rid of this binding configuration which is on the network. Okay, so we click on those two tick boxes. Okay, and then we got IP channels, and now we've got number 1 and 2, 3. So first of all, let's see what we've got on the online devices. It's found the two cameras. So this one is a brand new one, I can tell, because the status is different and the IP address is the default one, and this one we've given an IP address and it's on our network. So first of all, let's go activate the old one. So we click on activate, and now if we use the channel default password, it will take the NVR password, which is what we want. So we go OK, and now we can go click on here and we go add. So it's added the device, it's connecting. Okay, boom, one camera added. Okay, that was a brand new camera on the network. Okay, we didn't have to do anything. So now we go back to camera, and now let's add the second device. Now this one's a little bit different because this one, it was an existing camera on the system. So we go add. Oops, no, we don't go add, guys, sorry. Okay, we can go add, and we can just go edit. So then we change, we go edit. Now we have to put in the camera password, which is different from the NVR password. Okay, this one is SSR 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so then we just click on OK. Now the second one should come up, because you'll probably have an error here, password error or something. Oh, there we go, it's come up. Alright, perfect guys. So that's two methods to add a camera to your NVR using the network. And thanks for watching guys. More interesting videos in the links below. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Catch you on another one. Cheers, bye.